Hello everyone, I am Sakshi Gupta from the Silver Butterfly, and today's video is not tutorial video. Today we are going to show 3 greeting cards made with 4 designs which I have already made in the previous video. I will provide the link below in the description box. Before making greeting cards, I go through a lot of brainstorming. Now it's your turn to make greeting card and make your sister happy. So let's start. If you find this video useful, then please like, comment, share and subscribe. Until then, happy Rakhi. Bye bye.